Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to display menu bar Microsoft Bing in computer. So how to display menu bar Microsoft Bing in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Bing through the browser on your computer. Here it is already on the initial display of Microsoft Bing. To display the menu bar on the main screen of Microsoft Bing, just point the cursor to the top right of the screen. Tap the three-line icon here. A scrolling menu will appear down. Here there are many menu options such as search history, menu settings, menu appearance, and other menus. Here scroll down. Tap Customize your home page. In the Customize your home page menu section, there are many options to display the menu bar. Activate Show Menu Bar. Here the menu bar has appeared on the initial display of Microsoft Bing. On this menu bar there are many menu options that you can use. So that's it, tutorial how to display Microsoft Bing menu bar in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.